Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for Black Shark 5. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app and enter Notify Body. Click on the search button again. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open it, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for the app. First one is phone permission, allow, next is overlay permission. Here we'll need to locate Notify Body and allow display over the other apps. Go back, do the same thing with notification permission. Click OK, go back again. You can disable battery optimization if the app doesn't work for you, but it's optional, so I'm not gonna disable it right now. Now let's move to the next step. Click OK. Here there's 4 tabs. First one is user. You can select any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. In this case, let's go for Diablo Immortal. Next is a system, and here you can find all system-bound apps. So let's get calendar. Next is active, and here you can find all apps that you've previously activated. In the settings you can change any settings or customize how the LED lamp will look like. So you can change the time between blinking, color, placement on the screen, size or shape, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's click on the test to see how the LED lamp looks like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.